Welcome to Sidhu's IELTS classes. Today's speaking cue card is describe an invention which is useful in daily life. Bullet points are what it is it popular or not, whether it is difficult to use or not, and why it is popular. And answer is at present, humans' life is full with inventions that have become an integral part of their life. Though there is a long list of inventions, today I would like to talk about one such invention that is useful in everyone's daily life. It is an invention of cars, which I think is the greatest invention of science and mankind ever. Invention of car has made people possible to cover the distance of miles in minutes, which earlier used to be covered in days. Even before this invention, sometime people traveled for months to reach at their destinations. Cars are and getting more and more popular not only in my country but also in the whole world. Today, people's businesses, education, and other aspects of life all depend upon car. Driving car is both an easy and difficult task at the same time. One who is familiar with driving can use car easily. However, for others, driving car is not less than a hard nut to crack. This invention is so much useful in people's life that their business, studies, and other tasks get halted if they have no car in some circumstances or their cars are with mechanic for maintenance or repair. One cannot imagine their life without car as their day starts with using car for going to gym or park and ends with coming to their home after doing their work or job. Number of people spend longer hours of their day in car owing to their business in which they have to travel a lot. So this is an invention that is very useful and popular at the same time in one's daily life. This is a complete sample of cue card which has capability to score good marks in IELTS. If you like my sample, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.